Course 3: Decentralization Fundamentals. What are DApps and how do they work? Hi there! In the previous module, we talked about the realm of DeFi. In this one, we'll delve into a concept known as decentralized applications, or DApps. Decentralized applications, simply called DApps, are blockchain-based applications that operate using smart contracts. The term DApp is quite old, so there have been multiple shifts in the understanding of what qualifies as a decentralized application, leading to numerous debates. For instance, one of the early definitions of a DApp proposed considering an application that met three key criteria. Firstly, a decentralized application must have open-source code accessible to an unlimited number of users, not just developers. Secondly, all the application's data should be encrypted and stored on a public blockchain, maintained by a sufficient number of nodes. Thirdly, a DApp should feature a tokenized system and support cryptocurrencies. Interestingly, all three criteria are met by Bitcoin, which was even recognized as the first decentralized application. However, according to modern interpretations, the term DApp applies to all applications operating on the blockchain and utilizing smart contracts. Since Bitcoin doesn't fully support smart contracts, it's often not classified as a DApp. Typically, DApps don't visually differ from regular mobile and web applications, but they possess a distinct internal structure. This structure consists of a set of data and smart contracts for their processing, situated within the blockchain and distributed among numerous user nodes. This particular characteristic sets DApps apart from conventional applications that store information and operate on centralized company servers. The main advantage of a decentralized application is its reliability. Being hosted on the blockchain, a DApp has no single point of failure. Going offline or hacking even multiple nodes won't halt the application's operation or lead to data loss. DApps also offer a much higher level of transparency compared to centralized services. Open source code, smart contracts, and anonymous authentication methods like crypto wallets are used in decentralized applications. This prevents developers from embedding hidden functionalities in DApps and restricts their access to users' personal data. Another advantage of DApps is the limited control developers have. In simple terms, a company cannot alter rules, functionalities, or even shut down an application against a user's will. Any proposed changes must first gain approval from the community. While decentralized applications have gained the most traction in the cryptocurrency space, they can actually be utilized in any industry. Currently, DApps are being used to create not only DeFi, GameFi projects, and decentralized crypto exchanges, but also platforms for streaming as an example. In this module, we discussed the concept of decentralization through DApps, learned about the differences between decentralized applications and conventional ones, and explored their superior qualities. In the next module, we'll delve into DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations.